Hey guys, just got a box from Lax World. Just got home from school, and I'll open it up for you. So here you go. And here's the box. Not very big. Well, you're probably gonna be kind of surprised on what it is. There it is. And this is from Lax World. You would not really think this would be from Lax World, but shoes, Air Max 90s, size 7. So let's open it up. So these are lacrosse. It comes with All America lacrosse camps, stuff like that. Some return sheet here, and then this is what I ordered on this sheet, and then here are the shoes. These are awesome. They're Air Max 90s. They are, as you can see, they're Carolina navy, orange, and yellow. Got the checkered inside, and they say lacrosse in them too. So I'm really excited about these. I'll show you our team. Crazy shorts for our team, because I'll show you they match. Those are our crazy shorts, and they match pretty well. So, they look really comfortable. I've had a pair of these, and they were comfortable, so. Those are the new shoes I just got. Nike Lacrosse. I really do like that insole. Alright, so those are the shoes. Thanks for watching, guys, and comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye.